Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am in my office on a beautiful sunny afternoon, although every once in a while we'll have a little rain shower, so it's definitely a beautiful spring day. I am catching up on some things up here in my office after a very busy month of March, and one of the things I have yet to share with you is the April Joyful Jordan box. So I'm excited to dive in and share that with you today. So stay tuned for that, and welcome to my office. Welcome back to my home. I'm so glad you're joining me today for another Joyful Jordan unboxing. If you are just finding my channel, welcome. I am Natasha and I'm a Jordan Essentials consultant, also known as a Jordy. And I love getting these Joyful Jordan boxes every month, and especially because they're such a great value. So these boxes run $29. I have not even opened this one yet. I know basically what's in here, I think. But anyway, they run $29. If you subscribe and have it automatically shipped out to you each month, then you don't pay anything for shipping. And it's usually a $40 value on the box or more. They make a great gift to someone you love or a friend, or a great gift for yourself, and they are always a little box of awesomeness. So in this month's box, the April 2024 Joyful Jordan box, first of all, what a beautiful card we have. So each box is going to come with some sort of a card with a saying or a Bible verse on the front, and then the back will tell us all about what's in the box. This beautiful spring floral says, "I am defined by my inner strength, and my beauty is a reflection of the love I am surrounded by." So I love that beautiful quote. And look on the back, we have all kinds of goodies in here, 4 items this month. So this is definitely a great value on the box. So we have our new spring scent, Raspberry Lemonade, but this is a magnesium body spray, which you cannot get raspberry lemonade in a body spray in the regular catalog. So this is an exclusive item to the box. And it says, "Discover a burst of fruity and citrus freshness for a delightful fragrance," which I would agree, the raspberry lemonade scent is delicious. It smells so fresh and citrusy, and with that hint of the berry with the raspberry scent. Embrace a vibrant and light aroma that encapsulates the essence of summer wherever you go. Spray on as a body spritzer, as a room spray, or on linens. And because this has the magnesium in it, this is going to have the added bonus of being boosted, where it's going to help relax muscles, help with eye twitches, help you sleep better. It has all kinds of great benefits by having that magnesium, the topical magnesium, boosted in with this delicious smelling spray. And what a cute little 1-ounce size. You can see that is definitely something you could throw in a purse or a diaper bag, or keep it in your car if you wanted, at your desk. And I love that fresh and fruity raspberry lemonade scent. So that's a really good start to our collection here in this April box. Next, this is something cool and new and different, the Foamtastic Fizzy Bubble Bath. Dive into Foamtastic bliss, indulge in a fizzy bath boosted with marine collagen for the ultimate bubble bath experience. Soothing and moisturizing, leaving your skin refreshed and hydrated, a truly spa-worthy experience. And I like that they tell you how to use each item. So for this one, it says, in your warm bath, sprinkle 1 to 2 ounces under running water. And we'll find this here. So I'm excited to give this a try. So this is a 4-ounce container. So that means you'd have like up to 4 uses if you were using it in a bath. And it's going to be fun to give this a try. I'm excited to see what this is like, and I believe this is unscented, so if you did want to add your favorite essential oils into the bath, you could. I do know, because this is like a fizzing bubble bath, you don't want to put the essential oils in like directly into this pouch, because it'll all start fizzing in the pouch. So you're going to have to mix it separately or in the bathtub as you're adding both items. So that's cool, something new to try, again, an exclusive item. Next, we have our Rose Water Setting Spray and Toner. And this is something we've had before, so I'm excited that it is coming back, because it's only ever been in a Joyful Jordan box or like a weekly wow, so it wasn't something you could just order regularly in the catalog. But when we had it before, I absolutely loved it. So this is our Rosewater Setting Spray and Toner, and it says, ensure your skin blooms beautifully all day long. Just a few spritzes to set your makeup perfectly and refresh your skin. Hydrates and revitalizes, leaving you with a dewy glow. And it says to use it, you can use to set finished makeup, spray face 3 to 4 times and allow to dry. And I believe when we had this before, I even used it just as a regular toner spray. So after I cleansed my face with my Jordan Essentials Gentle Cleanser or with the Hydrolicious Cleanser, that's the one I'm currently using. I love to spray our toner spray on and let that kind of soak in. It's like vitamins for your skin, and it helps everything you put on afterward work better because your skin is now pH balanced and has that boosted toner spray. So I'm gonna probably use this in both ways. I'll use it as my toner that I put on after I cleanse, and then use it to set my makeup when I'm finished. And then the last item in here, this is awesome. This is a full-size product out of the regular catalog, and I am low on both this and my toner, so I'm excited to get some things restocked. So this is our Icing Vitamin C Eye Gel. It's collagen boosting, fine lines fighting, elasticity enhancing, and brightening for youthful eyes. Lightweight, quick absorbing formula for an instant refreshment. And to use it, you're just going to use a light touch and dab around your eyes, on your forehead, or use as a full face treatment, and it can be used under makeup. And that's what I typically do, is I'll do this as a whole face treatment because I figure all my skin could use it, and I make sure to get my décolletage so that I don't have a mismatched face and neck and décolletage. So I love that we have that in there because I was getting low. So this is a really great collection of products. Once again, this is awesome to gift to someone. You could even break up the box into a couple of gifts if you wanted to give one person the face care items and another person the bubble bath and body spray. That would be a fun little pamper set. Lots of ways you can make this into some great gifts. And I even have a customer who has a gift subscription she keeps up with, and each month she just changes the shipping address to be a different friend or family member that she's wanting to bless with a little box of awesomeness, and sends the Joyful Jordan box out to a new person each month. And that's a great way to gift it as well. So thanks for joining me today to check out the April 2024 Joyful Jordan box from Jordan Essentials. I will have everything linked in the description down below if you want to check out my website, get your own subscription, or you can always just buy the box one time, get it this month for the month of April, and have a good selection of our products to try and see what you think. And then if you decide you want to subscribe or just get another box down the road, you can always do that. So I hope you're enjoying this spring wherever you are. Have a good one. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button on your way out, and I will look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.